Are you tired of losing money in your investments? It's time to stop gambling and start making smart decisions. In this video, I'll share some crucial tips that every investor should know before putting their hard-earned money on the line. Hello there, fellow moms and investors. Welcome to the mothership. In this video, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that every investor should know before putting their hard-earned money on the line and making some costly mistakes. I know you will benefit from videos like this, so hit the like and subscribe buttons. Click on the notification bell too, so you won't miss out on the new videos I'll be posting on my channel. Let's go. Majority of the Philippine population is still living on a day-to-day basis. From paycheck to paycheck, many Filipino working moms struggle to make ends meet. That's the harsh reality. However, by setting clear financial goals, you can break free from this cycle and start your journey towards financial freedom. When defining your financial goals, be specific and begin with the end in mind. Ask yourself questions like, what do I want to achieve with my investments? Is it for retirement? Education for my children? Buying a house? Having a clear vision of what you're working towards can help you align your investment strategies to meet those goals. Investing can seem daunting at first. But don't let that deter you. Real estate, for example, is a good investment opportunity. But if you don't read up on basic real estate laws and regulations in the Philippines, you may miss out on valuable information that could impact your investment decisions. Read books, take seminars, and attend courses. Learn as much as you can about different investment options, strategies, and risk management techniques. Remember, all investments come with risk, but with knowledge comes power. So take the time to educate yourself and become a confident investor. You don't need a large sum of money to start. Begin with what extra money you have. Small beginnings can lead to significant financial accomplishments. Of course, starting small doesn't mean you should overlook the potential returns and risks associated with your investments. Who knows? Later on, you'll get to diversify your investment portfolio on the way to building a solid foundation for your future. Social media has the power to influence you and your decisions. Go on Facebook and you see a page with so many followers and testimonials claiming to have found the secret to success in investing and earning money fast. It's tempting to follow the crowd and make impulsive investment decisions based on others' opinions. But it's crucial to investigate before you invest. Do your due diligence. Research the company or investment platform thoroughly. Look for reviews, read up on their track record, and analyze their financial statements. Get a better understanding of the risks involved and compare returns. Remember, investing is not a gamble. It's about making informed choices. Don't rely solely on hearsay or popular trends. Investments are not get-rich-quick schemes. As working moms, we have embraced the virtue of patience in our own homes. We need to do the same when it comes to investments. Contrary to what some may claim, investments are not a shortcut to instant wealth. They require time and dedication to yield fruitful results. Avoid the temptation of get-rich-quick schemes that promise extraordinary returns in no time. Searching YouTube will lead you to loads of videos that claim to have found the secret formula for making millions overnight. Be smart. You know better than to fall for such empty promises. Remember, moms, investments should be approached with a long-term mindset. It's about building wealth gradually and steadily over time. This requires patience and discipline. Slow and steady wins the race. Remember these tips as you invest. Be curious, flexible, and patient. Remember, investing is not about blindly following trends or seeking overnight success. It's a gradual process that requires careful consideration and planning. Good luck on your journey to financial independence.